Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open your page number 12. Today we're starting a new unit number 2, and topic is clean and healthy. Keeping clean. How we should keep clean our body. Cleanliness is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. Like washing help us to remove germs that cause illness. First of all, read here. Here are some ways of keeping clean. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Okay, we should brush our teeth in the early morning and at night. Have a bath or shower every day. We should take bath and shower every day. Did you know you can save water if you turn the tap off while brushing your teeth? While brushing your teeth, you should turn off the tap. It can save your water. Okay. Next page. Keep your nose clean. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. You keep your nose clean and you should use handkerchief or a tissue. Wash your hands before eating anything. Okay. Washing helps us to remove germs that cause illness. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to the toilet. Okay. You should use soap after using toilet. Cut your nails regularly and keep them clean. You should keep your nails clean. Comb your hair. Okay. Now here we have two questions. Tell me the answer. What other things do you do to keep clean? Like the importance of cleanliness, keeping cleanliness, daily washing, cleaning, clean your hairs. You should clean your living area like your home. What things do you need to keep yourself clean? With the help of these diagrams, you should brush your teeth early morning and night. You should take bath. You should keep your nose clean with handkerchief or tissue. You should wash your hands before eating anything, or you should use soap after using toilet. Cut your nails regularly or keep them clean, and comb your hairs. Okay. Now your homework is read page number 12 and 13. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.